Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the easiest chocolate cake. Yes, all in one bowl method. Very easy and yummy. Please stay tuned to the end of this video. If you have questions, feel free to ask and comment. Ingredients for this chocolate cake. You need half cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of flour, half cup of milk, that's buttermilk. You'll be adding vinegar to it. That's half tablespoon of vinegar. I'll be using chocolate flavor and vanilla flavor. I'll be using the two. I have my baking powder, baking soda and salt. I'll be putting the measurement in my description box below. I have half cup of vegetable oil and sugar, so check out the measurement in the description box below. And I also have my hot water to mix. The first thing to do is to measure half tablespoon of vinegar into your milk. Stir together and set aside. This is our buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk already made, you can make the buttermilk yourself by doing this. Set it aside. You get a mixing bowl, get your whisk or turning stick, add in your half cup of hot water. This is hot, very hot water. Add in your cocoa powder to it and stir together. Stir till you're sure the cocoa powder is well melted. When you're sure the cocoa powder is well melted, go ahead and add in your sugar. Add in the sugar and you stir together. Keep stirring. Take your time to stir this together. Add in the vegetable oil. Continue stirring to combine everything together. Crack your 2 eggs and you put right inside the mixing bowl. Please do this when you're sure your eggs are fresh. Inside your mixing bowl and you mix together. Take your time to mix everything together. Okay, go ahead and add the salt, baking powder and baking soda right inside and you mix very well. You can also add this salt, baking powder and baking soda into your flour. Mix together before you add the flour, or you do it the same way I did mine. Stir very well and you measure in your flavors. Like I said, I am using 2 different flavors, vanilla flavor and chocolate flavor. I'm using half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. This is not industrial flavor, that's why I'm using up to half tablespoon. The chocolate flavor, the same thing. But if you're using chocolate flavor and vanilla for industrial, please use 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of chocolate flavor. Like I said, it's not industrial flavor. That is why I'm adding up to half tablespoon. Take your time to mix very well. Now start adding in your flour, a little at a time as you mix in. A little of the flour, a little of the milk. That's the buttermilk. Take your time till you have added everything right inside, and you mix very well. You can see the thickness of the chocolate cake batter. Just go ahead and grease your pan with either butter, margarine, or vegetable oil, and you dust with your cocoa powder before you pour it inside. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Thanks a million for coming around. Please, subscription is free. It's free just for you to be getting an alert of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. So right now I will pour inside my pan, and you tap on the table to close up air bubbles. Before you start mixing this chocolate cake from the beginning, make sure you have started preheating your oven. Your oven is already on, because this chocolate cake is going to bake very fast. So after 25 minutes, look at my chocolate cake, looking so pretty and beautiful. Wow, this is so wow. Thanks a million for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to ask questions, and also feel free to comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.